Well, we're in
Welcome
the
to the
parking garage.
channel. Enjoy from the
Disneyland
parking
Resort,
garage
Mickey
to
and Fun,
and through the train
waiting
ride
for
at
7
Disneyland.
o'clock so that we can
And please help this channel.
get
It's
through,
free
get
to
a
do
good
so.
spot,
All you got to do
and
is hit that
hopefully
subscribe button. We're trying to get to
get on a good
1,000
first ride for the
subscribers.
day.
And when we do reach
So I hope you
closer
enjoy it.
to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to have a giveaway. So keep that in mind. And remember, you are special, you're unique, you're an individual, and there's no one else out there like you. And you're loved on this channel.
It's 6:57 a.m. as we're filming this. And around 7 o'clock, a lot of people act like children and start honking their horns, which you will soon hear. Yeah, so far they haven't started their horn honking, but you know they're going to. It happens every time. And just heard a faint honks, so they're starting up.
And everything was going so bad. I wonder how long
Observing is all done. Keeping all hands on seat and legs inside the train. And remember to please supervise all children, ensuring that all small children are either sitting on an adult's lap or away from train opening. For our next stop, Toontown Depot. Thank you.
Just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Please remember to like and subscribe. It's free and it helps the channel grow. Without subscribers, it's hard to put together a channel. Even if I'm paying for it all myself because of the fact that if I don't think people want to watch it, then I don't feel I should make it. And I want to continue to keep giving you guys good videos.
And other beloved critters on your fun-filled adventures.
Disneyland Railroad.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty.
The church and rubber man will be seated at all times. Thank you.
Please bring your legs inside the train. Legs inside the train. Leg inside the train, please. Not on the running board. We need your leg inside the train. If you're wearing a white sneaker, please bring it inside the train.
There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the Great River Valley below.
All right, everyone, we're coming to an unexpected stop, so please remain fully seated. Once again, this is an unexpected stop, so please remain fully seated, everyone.
People like you have been riding these rails.
Thank you.
We're pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of the wilderness.
Motion, so please remain fully seated, everyone. Once again, please remain seated to keep the train in motion.
This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of fear, the one you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, the cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you're leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a full stop.
We are now approaching Toontown Depot. Your stop at the Toontown and Fantasyland area. As well as your second chance to stop for Star Wars and Galaxy's Edge. Remember to remain fully seated, everyone, until the train has come to a full and complete stop. Thank you.
This is the Easter popcorn bucket. Isn't it just so cute? You can put the egg down, tap on it. Oops, that's a little bit more of a tap than I had just anticipated. But as you see, the egg opens back up. You can get this little beauty over by the Haunted Mansion and the train station for $28. It'll probably sell out, so get yours quick.
Legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown D to it's a small world just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. Steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star skiers, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the October. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun.
We are now approaching Tomorrowland Station. Your stop for favorites like Space Mountain and Finding Nemo submarine.
The guy you see in my videos is my son, Will.
Everyone until the train has come to a full and complete stop. Thank you.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. Gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
Thank you for joining us here today on the Disneyland Railroad. We hope to see you all again soon. Children, ensuring that all small children are either sitting on an adult's lap or away from train opening. For our next stop, New Orleans Square Station. Thank you.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a Grand Circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station, but to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there, literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. This station also serves stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment.